It's a mystery. It's a mystery wrapped in a riddle inside an enigma.
What's up, everybody? Lawrence Ryan here, coming to you live once again from the tunnel, the Rebel Tunnel. Today, we have a mystery. This box came from DirecTV. I do not have DirecTV, Sam I am, nor has anybody who has lived in my house for several years. Also, it is extremely light, so it's probably not one of those cable or satellite type boxes because it's too light. It could be a promotional thing. If anybody has any guesses on what this might be from DirecTV in a light box, you can stop the video and write your guesses in the comments down below and then start it back up and you will see if you were correct. So let us commence the unboxing. Alien eggs? I have no idea. There's a whole bunch of them. Blue, egg-like, foamy things. Alright, let's check it out. Let's Google this. See what they say. Blue foam things from DirecTV. No. Alright, hang on. I received some blue foam items from DirecTV. I have no idea. There's no slip. It's not saying. It doesn't say what they are. Or they... Wait a minute. What is this? Oh, I think I got it. This is a box. These foam donuts, or whatever they are there to protect something when you send it back to them. So you put it in here and it is protected when you ship this back. It says, reduce, return, reuse. This is what this means. This sustainable packaging is designed with the environment in mind. Our cardboard supplier is source certified by the Sustainable Forestry Initiative, and this package will be repeatedly reused or recycled. Not bad. The receiver you are returning will be refurbished and sent to a new home or responsibly recycled. So, not alien eggs. Sorry, guys. This is a sustainable package designed to protect the environment for returning the satellite receiver back to DirecTV so that they can recycle it and give it to somebody else, which is very nice. But they do look like alien eggs. So, anyway, this is Lawrence Ryan signing off the Rebel Tunnel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you on the other side.